Besides eating, I'm not good at anything. I'm not referring to you. After all, you could still get hungry. Hello everyone, this is Neil, and it is currently 8 p.m. Ice cold on the road, and I've prepared something for tonight. Huh? Where's my food? I'm starving, what should I do? I'm sorry, chef, but this time you'll go hungry. The onion. To avoid the damn smell that stings my eyes, I choose to throw it to you to do the cut. Oh well, I cannot resist it. Eating supper really comes at a cost. Seafood has exceptional deliciousness. More importantly, today there's no need to crack the shells. But using high temperature cooking with animal fat, the sweetness within the onion is awakened. Oops, the beef got to the onion before me. The next step is to throw all the ingredients into the pan and stir fry them together. Don't forget about the seasoning and eggs. Finally, add the cooked rice and seafood. Mix them together and follow my lead. This dish is super yummy. In the Sichuan Chongqing regions of China, every dish is seasoned with pickles. With pickles added, I'll have at least 2 more bowls of rice. Fried rice is most people's first attempt at cooking, with 3 combinations of ingredients creating extraordinary flavors. The more casual and unpretentious something is, the closer it is to life. But, of course, it has to be delicious. Don't go adding unnecessary ingredients, I won't take responsibility for that. To conclude, learn well and enjoy your meal.